Hey everyone, if your daylight bulb is not working on your Kia Ceed 2012 generation, then you will need to remove the bulb. It looks like this, and you see the connector right here. And actually you do it by removing this plastic cover from the bottom of your car. And I've used screwdriver and this wrench key. See the size, 10 millimeters, to get access from the back to this connector, and then you easily rotate it and pull it out. And in the box with your spare bulbs you will see a bulb like this. So let's see what's written on it. So it's this 12 volt, 5 watts, and it's got this 21 number. So it says somewhere right here, yeah, P21/5 watts 12 volt bulb. So I was able to replace it. Now I'll put it back here and then bring back this cover to the original position. So it's actually not as difficult as it might seem. So to remove it, you rotate it clockwise, pull it out. You will need to find the right angle to pull it out, and then to bring it back, once positioned, you do rotation counterclockwise. Job done.